stay tuned if you want to see what I'm going to do. It's going to be epic, guys. Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Sabrina Isabelle and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So today's review is on the new Urban Decay All Nighter Long Wear Mattifying Weightless Waterproof Setting Powder. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's really beautiful. It comes in a silver packaging and they actually like package it up with the water droplets outside. So right off their website, I'm going to read this up. So the main reason why I actually bought this is because I'm a crier. I cry when I'm happy, I cry when I'm angry. I most of the time find myself crying for weird stuff. So when I actually do cry, I get that line of a foundation removal on my face and it was really awful. Because this says your luminosity shows through while the powder keeps moisture out. Cry, sweat, get wet, your makeup will stay waterproof and flawless for up to 11 hours. So this is supposed to lock in the coverage and your finish of your foundation up to 11 hours. So this is a translucent setting powder and this is the only shade of the powder that they are selling. Apparently that this powder actually works for all skin type. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. It's really classy. It comes in like a silver packaging as well and you can literally feel the water droplets on the packaging itself. It's so amazing. I just love the way how they packaged it. This is how it looks like inside. It's pretty white in the palette though. So if I'm going to swatch this on the back of my hand right now, you can see that there is a little bit of like whiteness to it. But once you actually like rub it off and into your foundation and to your skin, and it just goes away. So that is pretty interesting. And I have it going on my face right now. So if you want to see how I actually go ahead and use this product and how I actually did it, just keep on watching and we will start this video right now. You guys don't come too close. I have not done my brows. My brows looking a little bit funky. Right now was the moment of truth. So what you're supposed to do is for flawless looking complexion, apply on top of foundation. A translucent shade lights up nearly every skin tone. So let's follow the instructions. I also do want to know whether this actually causes flashback though. So I will definitely put that to a test. Let's powder down half my face first and then we're going to see and compare with the other side which I have not powdered down. It does feel really lightweight. As you can see, this side of my face I actually powder down with the waterproof powder and this side is still with my foundation. That's why it's giving a little bit of glow, guys. Like mattified my face down. Yeah, I don't feel any tackiness on my skin like how a foundation side would be. So it definitely makes your face matte. So let's go ahead and do the other side. I will keep you guys updated in the sense of like I will wear this thing on my face for at least like 3 to 4 hours and then I'll definitely come back and I'll show you guys whether you know it does it crease underneath the eyes. It's nice. I can't even feel that I actually pat down my entire face. My face is matte, it is smooth, and yes, it didn't even change the color of my foundation. Let me just go ahead, let's get my rest of my makeup done and I'll be back. Okay, so overall I really like the finish. It's really making my skin a little bit flawless. Not a little bit but a lot. It's making my skin look flawless, guys. I'm really liking it. It really makes my face look matte. Not having that white cast, like you can see that I don't have like that white cast on my face, but I'm really interested about flashback. So I'm wanting to see whether this is camera friendly. So this makeup will be on my face for a couple of hours and yes, I'm gonna do something like very different to really test out whether this product is a waterproof setting powder because yeah, I do want to know whether you know if I go out and it suddenly rains, whether my makeup is still gonna look like this. So stay tuned if you want to see what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be epic, guys. I think my brother is going to like doing this. They're gonna enjoy doing this and I hope you guys also enjoy.
One.
Okay. What is that? Yeah, that you nailed it. Okay. Will you come close? I think it is waterproof. That was cool. Yeah, it's waterproof. Oh gosh, it is. Are you still filming it? Can you see? How does it look? How does it look? The lighting? Yeah, it's awesome. It still looks the same. Oh gosh. Still still looks nice. So yeah, I'm still wet. I'm still like... So I just pat down my face with my towel. Wow! We have a winner. This is... A little bit is on my lashes, my fake lashes that it curled up and you see like it just stuck together. Before I go and get myself changed, I do have to say I really love this product a lot. It is waterproof, guys. I had so much fun doing this video and I really highly recommend you guys to go and get this product because it's waterproof! So happy that I found something that is amazing, guys. That literally she poured a whole bucket of water on my face and nothing moved. 2 thumbs up to Urban Decay for creating this product. I really love, and I know a lot of people out there would really love to have your makeup waterproof and not ruined at the same time because of the weather or because you cry. I'm gonna take out my hair. My hair is so wet. I just changed. So I'm definitely gonna leave this on for another 3 to 4 hours to see whether there is any creasing on the face, like how normally when you put your normal face powder after a couple hours when your oils come out. Let's see whether this actually does creasing, and let's check on flash test as well. So I'll check in with you guys in another 3 to 4 hours, guys. So there is no creasing at all, but maybe slightly underneath the eyes. I see a little bit of creasing. I didn't set that properly, but I don't have any creasing on my forehead, although it's holding up pretty well. So this is the 3 hours mark. I'm not at home. That's the reason why I'm doing this outside. So this is the 3 hour mark, guys.